Steel Mama specializes in the development of roll-forming machines. This video shows the production process of high-quality, laser-welded square tube roll-forming machine. This machine works extremely efficiently. The rollers are made of chrome-plated shafts to extend their service life. This is the gap between the welded square tubes. Cooling with water after welding. Customize various sizes according to your needs. Square duct is a rectangular-shaped duct used as a passage for air conditioning, heating, and other HVAC services. Commitment. Delivery within 45 days. 18-month warranty. Steel Mama always give you proper solution.